Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anna, and today we're gonna talk about something new from Milani. Well, it said it was new at Ulta, so I'm assuming that it's new. I went to Ulta about a week ago maybe, and just to kind of see like what was new. Granted, the store was pretty bare, but I did find something that caught my eye. And that is the Milani Ludicrous Matte Lip Crayon. That's what it looks like. So in this video, I'm going to go over swatches. I'm going to talk about texture. We're going to do an application and kind of see, give you my overall thoughts on it. So if that's something that you're interested in, definitely keep on watching. So walking around the store and I saw Milani, and you know what? It's the holiday season. One of my favorite go-to looks for the holiday season or kind of, going out, and now that it's getting colder, is a bold lip. So I saw these lined up and this color just spoke to me for some reason. It's called Reckless, number 180. So I'm going to read to you a couple of like the claims and, just a little something about this matte lipstick. So the claim is you create a bold lip with just one swipe. It's hyperpigmented and it's going to glide on very easy, which sounds like when I think of matte lipstick, I don't think of something gliding on super easy, because when I think of matte, I think of like a little bit dry, because that's the finish. Not that the dryness is the finish, but matte is the finish. When I think of something creamy, I think of a lipstick that's going to glide on. So a couple of key ingredients in here is jojoba oil, avocado oil, and shea butter. It's going to be weightless wear and it's cruelty free. So I have some swatches for you guys. I'm going to cut into them now. All right, so here we have the Milani, I think it's new. It's the Ludicrous Matte Lip Crayon. And this is in the shade Reckless. You can see that. So I'm gonna open it up. It almost looks like a cream eyeshadow stick. So you twist it, and we're gonna swatch. We'll just swatch it right here. Oh, it's very creamy. Very creamy. Wow. Look at that. That is very creamy, very pretty. Blends out very nice. It's sort of like a cherry red. So super pretty. All right. So you saw the swatches, and you can tell from the swatches that the formula is very creamy. And it got me thinking, I think it'll work on your cheeks too. And now, I don't know about you guys, but sometimes like with a dark lip, it's hard to find a blush that matches with it. So one of my favorite things to do is to use a lipstick as a blush, but you use it a little bit lighter. So we're gonna try that out. So here's the color. Very pretty. I like the size of the lipstick. It kind of reminds me of like a cream shadow, like that size if you're curious. But let's try it. So it also tells you online like how to do your, how to use it. So it recommends to start in the middle and kind of draw it down. Personally, I always start on the outside of my lips and then kind of go in. So let's do an application. So I'm going to take it and start. All right, they were not joking with the one swipe. That's a lot of color. Look at that. And it feels nice. That's a bold cut. Look at that. It completely covered up my lips quick. That's impressive. All right. My lips are a little bit on the dry side. I should have prepped them before. Okay, so can you see why I like a bold lip? Like the one, like all I have on is a little bit of foundation. I have my brows filled in, I have mascara. And then by putting on this lip, I just look so much more put together. That's crazy. It feels nice too. It doesn't make my lips feel more dry. Like I said, my lips are a little bit dry to begin with. But look at this color. That's such a beautiful color. It does have a matte finish. But it doesn't feel, yeah, it doesn't feel dry. All right, so now I'm curious to see how it would work as like a blush. So if you're in a pinch or you don't know what to kind of team up with the lipstick, I like to take the blush and I'll do a couple of swipes like that. It's very pigmented, so go with a light hand. It blends very easy. Look at that. It's super pigmented, but it blends easy. And the color payoff, even though I swiped it like very light, like you could see it. You can go heavier if you want, of course, but. Wow. I love a product that I can use more than one way. And this is definitely it. Because you want like your look to kind of tie together. So you want your blush to kind of match with, not match exactly with your lipstick, but you want it to be in the same family. And this is a, I don't know, lazy girl's way or quick, easy way to do a nice look and kind of pull it together. I literally just swipe and I blend back and that's it. I went slightly heavier on this side, so I gotta even myself out, but look at that. Oh, that is really nice. You know what this color is perfect for? You know, like now that we're getting into winter and like you're outside and you get like that windburn, like it's giving like that windburn rosy, winter rosy cheek look. So obviously it's not sold as for a cheek product, but it's amazing for a lip. It's a nice, and it feels creamy. Even though the finish is a matte finish on the lip, it feels creamy. It doesn't feel dry. And double it up as a blush and you have almost a full look, and that's it. So definitely check these out. I may pick up more shades. I do a lot of bold lips, so if you guys like that, let me know. Or if you want to see like, I guess like a different color, comment down below. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you guys in my next one.